so you said you joined in February. You've had some successes, and we're going to get to those successes. I know you talked about
Yeah.
them in a minute, but what when you got into the academy, like what was your just initial goal? Like join,
My
like once you
initial
joined.
goal was honestly just to, be able to start this up, that I was gonna be able to afford to do this like full time, like be able to invest all my time into growing it and stuff. And really, I mean, I was hoping it would take a month to do, and it did about that. I worked part time for like 2, 3 weeks, and I was able to take over and get this rolling and growing and stuff. So that was my initial goal, was to get it started up, obviously. And then my goal since is just, to grow to hit that like 10K marker.
I think you can do
And
it.
yeah,
You're definitely on the
definitely,
way to it.
definitely on track. Like the thing is nice is like, I mean, it's honestly like it's a perfect business. Like the profit margins are high. The time efficiency, like I work 15 to 30 hours a week, like depending on how busy it is. And that leaves me time to prospect and grow my business. And the overhead, like the expenses are low. Like,
So unpack like your first couple of deals. Like where are you making your money right now? Like
yeah,
just walk through
I've
that real quick.
I've got a client for 80 a week who's paying $10 a pallet. And so from that client, I'm making 3,200 bucks just from him. And
And what type of pallets are they? The regular standard size, 48,
yeah,
40 pallets?
standard used pallets, and I give him 4 ways and 9 blocks. He takes both of them.
And how did you set that deal up? Like
Yeah.
how did you get that client?
So this guy was paying $18 for new pallets. And I was like, "Okay,
Wow.
brother, let's take a pause, like time out." I was like, "I can get you something that's gonna give you the same results. Like everything is similar. I make sure they're good. If you come across one that's broken, like call me up. I'll come by and I'll replace it. But like you're getting the same results out of something that you just need to operate your business. It's not like you're choosing to have it. Like it's just you just need it. And so it's like when the numbers line up, it's just such a simple game of like, hey, these are the numbers. I like to, build a relationship with them because that's huge. That helps. But yeah, I mean, he was actually my first customer, and I was just like mind blown that
You know
I was
you're
getting 3,200 from this one guy.
you know you do you get those pallets for free as well too?
Yeah, yeah. So profit
Okay.
margins are, yeah, literally like
Or do
10
you
bucks.
charge for the ones
Sometimes I
that you're
gotta
getting?
pay $1 or $2 a pallet.
Okay,
But I do come across times where I get paid to pick up pallets. So it's
that's good
just
too.
profit on profit. Those times are
So
few.
you are an anomaly in this business space. I'm gonna tell you why. Because the majority of the guys that are in this space are older guys. Have you run into other
Yeah.
guys in this space already?
Oh,
They're
yeah,
like
no,
in their
totally.
40s, 50s, they're retired, right?
Yeah, something
Um,
that's helped me tons is like they see this young kid, and honestly, the warehouse managers that I talk to, they're like higher up in the company, and they love seeing an entrepreneur, especially like a young person my age. And so that's
yep,
helped a ton with being able to scale it, especially because a lot of this business is kind of like one man, like I mean no race involved, but like Mexican guys who are willing to work very cheap and
yep.
just kind of like honestly, just kind of not as professional as a,
It's
look.
beer money. Beer money.
Yeah, seriously. Like, I talked to a guy in Arizona. He called me up because he saw my ad about me selling my business, and he was just asking for help and stuff. And honestly, he was doing everything that I was doing. It's just difficult because pallets there were going for like $3 to $5 a pallet, and I was like, "Dang, that's just rough, man."
The thing
So,
about it is though, you can really set your price is your price because what
right.
people pay for is your consistency and
Seriously, that's what I
your
stress.
professionalism.
hmm That's what I
And and
stress.
and also
Go ahead, man.
and also the fact that they can get to you really easily. See, the problem is with a lot of the other guys in
Right.
their business, they may or may not pick up their phone. They're not consistent. They don't come by. They don't, you know what
Yeah,
I'm saying? So all those
persistency
intangibles,
has been huge because a
all
lot of
those,
these
you have to
people,
be on top of it. You got to be on top of it.
right? Well, a lot of these
Hmm.
guys, like, it's not like they're like trying to, trying to be a pain to you, like, it's just pallets aren't their, like, main concern. Like, they're
Yep.
warehouse managers, they've got other things to worry about, so pallets don't come across their minds, but still, being able to save their company, a couple $1,000 a year on pallets, like, that's something that's gonna make their boss happy, and so it's like it's not something they're directly thinking about, so you just have to be persistent and just keep hitting them with it, and then eventually, you'll get them to bite and just keep offering your services.
So my dad was a salesman for like 30 years, right? So I picked up a
Oh,
lot of
yeah.
game from him when I got into this
Sales
business.
is
And
huge,
one thing that he told me, this was like a phrase that he used when he would pitch his services.
right?
He would tell people, "My job is to make you look good." So like
I like that, man.
if you are if you're saving a business thousands of dollars a year
It
on
adds
pallets,
up.
and that manager or the warehouse person is dealing with you specifically, they look good to their upper management, whoever
Mhm,
their
right?
bosses are. So they're going to continue to use you. So you kind of touched on how the group Pallet Pros Academy has kind of helped to boost your confidence by being able to help other people with the questions
Yeah.
that they have. So what would be like one valuable takeaway or aspect that you would say that Pallet Pros Academy has helped you with for you specifically?
Just I mean, I run into questions, of course. So like when I'm able to, release those questions to not just you, to be able to, you know, ask those questions to so many other members and you also, like, it's just huge. Like I said, the community, like being all together in one place has just
Hmm.
been great, like so helpful. I've picked up things of like, okay, what does and doesn't work without having
Hmm.
to, like try and fail it. Yeah, it's been great. Like I said, like the community vibes of it has been awesome.
You nobody's ever successful by themselves. They
Right.
have
It's the
mentors,
networking, man.
exactly.
Mhm. Yeah,
Friends,
like
mentors, all of that to help
yeah,
them.
seriously. Yeah, it's the
Because
connections.
even for me, like I don't have perfect days every day, every time I go out. There's rough days
Right.
for me, slow days. And even for me, like looking at the community even helps me out. You know what I'm saying? Like
Right,
looking
man?
at like your win. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Right.
okay, dude, Parker went out and he got this today. You know what I'm saying? Like it'll make me feel
Right.
better. And now it'll kind of give me a little bit of confidence that all
Yeah,
is not
it's
lost
able to
for
build off
me.
people's momentum.
There you go.
It's huge.
Yeah. Would you recommend Pallet Pros Academy to others?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Like, I really have loved, like, just the group camaraderie and, like, everything that it has to offer. It's great.
That's
And I
awesome.